Hello, I'm Brent Gibbs, and I have been asked to do a voiceover for my wife Crystal Gibbs on her makeup tutorial. Here we're going to have a bottle of what looks like makeup and a sponge butt plug. Looks like Crystal is going to go ahead and apply some of that makeup to her beautiful face. I think the idea, after looking at this a little bit, is to get rid of any trace of natural, normal human skin. She's going to use the Peeps candy from your Easter basket, and she's going to smush that in there. Very good. Here we have another liquid bottle of bullshit that probably does the same fucking thing as the last. Right now, Crystal's making herself look like Tommy Davidson from Ace Ventura Pet Detective 2 When Nature Calls. Great job, Crystal. Now she's going to use the orange Nerf ball to smush that stuff into her face. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Powder's wife, Flouter. Bam! More expensive bullshit that we can't afford. Here Crystal's going to take that and outline the contours of her cheeks and her jawbone. I secretly wonder if this would help me hide my fucked up double chin. Great job, Crystal. Cute duck face, Crystal. Now we're going to take this product and we're going to highlight the dark undertones we did on our cheekbones and our jawline. We're going to look like we just attended career day at the local power plant. Great glow, Crystal. Glad to see her stop for a drink. I'll bet you I hear I'm too tired for that shit tonight. I can feel my checkbook getting lighter. Here, Crystal's going to go ahead and give herself a natural case of pink eye. This could have been done for free by sharing linens after Chalupa night. Here, Tammy Faye is going to dive back into her dictionary of assorted colors to add more onto her eye. Now we're going from a little bit of pink eye to you may have been a victim of an assault. We're not done. Gonna add a little more. Now we're not so much the victim of an assault, but it looks like we may have been thrown from a circus elephant about 20 or 30 feet. Oh snap. We're not done yet. And just top it off, let it glow a little bit. Holy fuck, babe, put the thing down. Jesus, I think you get the point across. Oh, just gonna darken up those eyelids a little bit. Now she's gonna take that bottle of I Don't Give a Shit and spray it on the dumbass paintbrush. Oh, for fuck's sake, pick a color already, no one cares. Now it's time to add some eyeliner. To be honest with you, I could probably do it better than you can. Long live rock and roll. Did I mention we're trying for another child? Nope, not tonight we're not. Next we're going to work on one of her greatest features, the bell brow. Getting them nice and bold so she can scowl at me when I say something stupid at the dinner table or get caught staring at the waitress's ass. Are you ready for this? Boom! David Copperfield. After all this, she's going to wash her face and go to bed because we're parents and we don't have a life. Have a great night.